In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to check your Lululemon gift card balance. Let's dive right in and get started with the process. First, open your internet browser. You can use any browser you prefer, like Chrome, Firefox, or Safari. In the search bar, type in Lululemon and hit enter. This step is crucial because it leads you directly to the official Lululemon website, ensuring that you're in the right place to check your gift card balance. Once the search results appear, look for the official Lululemon website link. It usually appears at the top of the list. Click on it to open the Lululemon homepage. This action is important because it ensures you are navigating to a secure and legitimate site, avoiding any possible phishing attempts. Now that you are on the Lululemon homepage, scroll down to the bottom of the page. Here you'll find the footer section. In this section, look for the gift cards link and click on it. This link is your gateway to managing and checking your gift card balance, so it's a key step in the process. After clicking on the gift cards link, you will be directed to the gift card management page. On this page, find and click the Check Your Balance option. This step is essential because it takes you to the specific area where you can input your gift card details to retrieve the balance information. At this point, you will see fields to enter your gift card number and PIN. Carefully enter your gift card number in the designated field. This number is usually found on the back of your card. Next, enter your PIN. The PIN might be covered with a scratch-off layer for security reasons. Make sure to enter both numbers accurately. Doing so ensures that the system can correctly identify your card and provide the precise balance. Now, once you have entered both the gift card number and the PIN, look for the Check Balance button. Click on this button to submit your information. This step is the final action that triggers the system to fetch your gift card balance. After you click Check Balance, give it a moment. You should soon see a confirmation message displaying your available balance. This confirmation reassures you that the process has been completed successfully and you now have your up-to-date balance information. And there you have it. You've successfully checked your Lululemon gift card balance. Remember, keeping track of your gift card balance helps you manage your spending and enjoy your shopping experience without any surprises at checkout. Thank you for following along with this tutorial. If you found it helpful, feel free to revisit it anytime you need guidance on checking your gift card balance. Have a great day and enjoy your shopping at Lululemon.